Alright, in this video we're going to practice review graphing inequalities. And so our first one here is x is greater than 3. So I'm going to go over to 3 on my number line. I'm going to put what we call an open or an unfilled circle. That means my solution starts at 3 but does not include 3. And then I'm going to shade everything that is greater than 3. And so that will be everything in this direction. My next one is x is less than or equal to -2. So I'm going to go to -2 on the number line. This time there's an or equal to, so that means -2 is included in this solution. And so I'm going to fill in that circle, make it a closed or a colored circle. And now I want to shade everything less than that, which means I'm going to shade everything to the left of it. All of these numbers would be less than -2. Numbers 3 and 4 are compound inequalities. Number 3 is an or. An or inequality, we are going to start by graphing our first inequality, which is x is less than -1. So I'm going to have an open circle on -1. And then I'm going to shade less than. An or compound inequality puts both inequalities on the same number line. And now the second part here is x is greater than or equal to -4 or +4. And so I'm going to go to +4. It has an or equal to part, which means 4 is included in the solution. And everything greater than 4 is included in the solution. So I will shade everything greater than 4. So what this tells me now is that my solution can be 4 or anything greater. Or it could be a solution that starts at -1 and anything that is less than it. Our last example is a compound inequality, and it's a compound inequality that is an and a specific type of inequality, an and inequality, in which it is between 2 points. And so if we look at this, we know that this -3 here has an or equal to, so therefore I would take and go to -3, and I would put a closed circle on -3. The 2 here does not have an or equal to, so that means I would go to 2 and put an open circle. And this and inequality tells me that I only want the numbers that are between -3 and 2. And so I will shade between -3 and 2. So therefore -3 is included in my solution. All the numbers between and up to 2.